Welcome back to Must See Tech. This is the final episode of our mini-series about the all-new camping equipment and outdoor gadgets that will make your upcoming adventure seasons safer, more convenient, and even more fun. As usual, today's lineup will be comprised of exciting products from the established brands and unique solutions from young startups. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, ring the notification bell, and let's roll! Crua Koala V2. You guessed it right, this is the next generation of the extremely popular koala hammock that is now available in 1- and 2-person versions. The new V2 was created using customer feedback for the original model, so it resolves all of its issues and oversights. The steel carabiners are replaced by lighter aluminum ones. The tarp is longer and has reversible coating, plus the bug mesh provides 360-degree coverage. The hammock is made from stronger materials, so it can support up to 450 pounds of load. It also comes with movable internal pockets, a new organizer and bottle holder, and a small under hammock for your shoes and bag. As before, the Koala is good for sitting upright or lying down, and it takes just minutes to be set up. Bixby Powerpack 166. You will not impress anyone with a power bank that has large capacity to juice a bunch of devices, but a reliable and lightweight battery that will not be damaged underwater or when covered in mud is a totally different story. The PP-166 addresses all the common issues of standard power sources. The long-lasting lithium iron phosphate cells ensure 2,000 to 3,000 recharge cycles that translate to 10+ years of operation. The Bixby battery has powerful output of 180 watts through a trio of ports. With 166 watt-hour capacity, it can recharge your phone 25 times, but at the same time, it will replenish its own charge in just 8 hours, utilizing the optional Bixby Sun 45 solar panel kit. Finally, do not be afraid to drop the pack into a stream or even an ocean, since it can be submerged for 100 feet and is saltwater ready. Voyager Pocket. The new outdoor chair by the San-Diego PARKIT combines home-like comfort with fundamental functionality and plenty of extra features. The Voyager has industrial-grade framing wrapped in 60mm woven polyester fabric webbing, while its armrests are made of sustainable bamboo wood. Under the seat, you'll find a detachable insulated cooler that can hold ice for 8 hours and has 4 exterior zipper pockets for other items. But the most attractive features of the Voyager's design are its adjustable straps, which allow you to carry the chair both over a shoulder and as a traditional backpack. Finally, there is a cup holder that can be attached to either side. MRF Adventure 3.0 and Extreme 3.0. Chances that you will get lost completely unprepared in the middle of nowhere are rather slim, but for the peace of mind, it will not hurt to always have a credit card-sized survival kit in your wallet. The products manufactured by the MRF multitools offer just such a solution, and their lineup keeps expanding. Last year, the Adventure 3.0 was successfully brought to the market through Kickstarter. And in 2020, even a more minimalistic but just as versatile Extreme 3.0 tool was crowdfunded on the same platform. Believe it or not, but these things have over 40 uses, and being made of either stainless steel or titanium weigh just 1 to 2 ounces. The Super Credit Card can serve as a screwdriver, a can opener, a pry bar, a ruler, a fire starter, and so much more. Beluga Tent. A beluga whale is an endangered species that populates the Arctic and often serves as a poster animal for the fight to save the planet. Its white skin served as an inspiration for the name of the all-new modular tent by Kau, that also comes pristinely white, as the use of textile dyes accounts for 20% of the ocean pollution. This outdoor shelter is made of 100% recycled plastic that is transformed into small beads, then spun into thread, woven into fabric, and later sewn into a tent. It takes 125 plastic bottles to create one beluga. Plus, all the anodized aluminum used in the poles is also made in the eco-friendlier way. This item has 6 functions, namely a hammock cocoon, 2 separate hammocks, a tarp, a shelter, a tent plus awning, and of course a regular tent. Do not forget to check the description to this video. Some of the products might be on sale on Amazon, and you shopping through our affiliate links would greatly help out the channel. Thanks in advance, and let's get back to it. Blueeti AC200. On the market since 1981, the Colorado-based Blueeti specializes in creating solar power and power storage solutions of different sizes and capabilities. Their newest AC200 station can generate 2000 watt of continuous AC power from a 1700 watt-hour lithium battery. In other words, the shiny box can feed a big refrigerator or a 50-inch TV screen for nearly 24 hours. The total number of devices that can be powered simultaneously by this Blueeti is 17. It also features 6 different types of output outlets, including a USB-C, a cigarette lighter, and even 2 wireless chargers. The AC200 can be charged from a wall socket in 5 hours, or 2 times faster if you use the dual AC mode. The manufacturer also factory-equipped the model with 700 watt of solar input capacity, so if you have enough panels nearby, you can charge the station in less than 3 hours. FireKorf. In the past, the Belgian startup by Arnold had some successful experience with crowdfunding and manufacturing camping cooking equipment. But this time, the company believes that they're bringing to the market the ultimate fire pit for enjoying outdoor fire and making a meal outside of home. As standard, the FireKorf consists of a foldable lightweight frame and a fire bag, which is made from woven stainless steel wire. The bag is lighter and more flexible than a regular steel plate, plus it allows for easy oxygen flow to the fire. The complete set also includes a rollable grill that can support up to 22 pounds of load and 3-part roasting pit with a natural wood handle. The entire FireKorf kit weighs just 6 pounds and packs compactly in a durable canvas roll-up bag. Handheld. Those times when you would burn your fingers when trying to remove a sizzling pot from the camping stove are long gone. With the handheld gripper, your cups, pots, and pans are now all enhanced with a convenient handle. The ingenious device is made of aluminum. It is heat and scratch resistant and has silicone tabs for that strong grip. Additionally, it could be disassembled and used as a recycling tool for your gas canister. You can use it to depress the lintel valve and puncture holes to remove the remaining gas. Finally, the handled startup also sells a whole kitchen set. It consists of 2 hard anodized aluminum pots, 2 silicon collapsible cups, and 1 silicon bowl, which are all stored in a convenient drawstring mesh carry bag. Kayaker Fly. As you might have guessed it, with 90 seconds assembly time, the Kayaker Fly is a tent which was specifically created for kayakers. Its core design feature is that it does not require pegs or poles for installation. Instead, it uses your kayaks and paddles as the replacement for conventional pillars and anchors. The tent comes with special paddle socks that fit most models, while the buckle system allows you to adjust the webbing and avoid the annoying tangling. Once assembled, it offers a covered area of 130 by 104 inches and has interior peak height of 63. The fly is made of high-quality UPF Plus fabric that provides sufficient levels of UV resistance. Griller. This compact and efficient portable grill features a 360-degree non-electric rotisserie mechanism that allows you to cook food quickly and evenly while also keeping it juicy. The griller features a wind-up spring setup, so you just need to turn the knob 20 to 30 times to set the timer and start the rotation going. The source of the heat is the infrared burner that is located on the side of the cylindrical oven and is fed by a small butane cartridge. You can grill your food in a basket or on skewers, plus the entire process is visible through the glass door. The griller has a stopper button, its parts are dishwasher friendly, plus for your convenience, it comes with an instructions manual that suggests cooking times and temperatures for different kinds of meal. Have you found some interesting accessories and gadgets to be added to your toolkit? Mention your favorites in the comments below, and make sure to review other episodes of this mini-series by following the links on the screen and in the description. Support us through the affiliate links on Amazon, and do not hesitate to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and we'll meet again soon.